Sainik School principals and staff organized the school's Golden Jubilee celebrations. In view of the event, ex-Sainik principal Brigadier Dr. S.S. Brahma thanked the school staff member for their wholehearted contribution for uplifting the second status at national level, as well as organizing the Golden Jubilee celebrations, especially the present principal group captain Rajneesh Kumar, Roman Sheniyamasa, Arambam Asop Kumar Singh, Premananda and other staff members for their wholehearted contribution for uplifting the school status at national level as well as organizing the Golden Jubilee celebrations. It may be mentioned that Sainik School Imphal was inaugurated on 7 October 1971 in the salubrious climate of Imphal Valley with the vision that gifted students should be caught young and provided with quality education so that their capacities and capabilities come latent talent are so developed and channelized that along with their overall development of personality, they also become an asset to the nation in different fields, especially defense forces, and help giving a boost to the national economy. The ex-principal in his release statement stated that he felt privileged having served as the principal of Sainik School Imphal from mid-1999 to mid-2003 with the well-knit team of students possessing high potential, trainability and dignity of labor, along with versatile, dedicated and professionally competent staff members. He appreciated the then Chief Ministers of Manipur led W. Nipamachar Singh and O. Ibobi Singh for their generosity, understanding and mature care for the school's overall development through provision of adequate funds for infrastructural growth of the school. He also thanked Chief Minister of Manipur, Nongthombam Biren, for giving his blessings on the occasion of Golden Jubilee celebration of Sainik School Imphal.
And I also appeal to have from the Central Ministry just modern infrastructure we need to compete with the other international schools, national schools levels. Sainik schools modern equipments, other modern infrastructure, upgrade along with knowledge. And I am very glad to know that from today, from this session, we have included the girls cadet also, and just we inaugurated the hostel, inaugurated in a sense. Foundation stones laid and the construction have already started. We provided some amount around I think 2 crores or something. But for the completion of this hostel, if more money is required, state government will definitely provide and will make it complete.